Everyone, Greg here with Clear Roofing and Siding. This morning I'm down here in Salem, Ohio, and I had a contractor call me yesterday who hangs gutters, and said that he had a customer who had some ridge cap that was missing off the roof and wanted me to just come down here and take a look at it. So I'm down here taking a look, see what's going on here. Let me show you what I see and what we're going to do to fix this. All right, as you can see here, got a decent amount of ridge cap that is blowing off the roof. And one of the things that I'm seeing is the ridge cap's facing the wrong way. It's facing towards the west, and we do get a lot of heavy winds that come out of the west area. So what's happening is it's coming down through here and it's picking up these shingles on the ridge cap here, and it's just blowing underneath of them and lifting the whole things up. Now, one of the major things that I'm noticing with this ridge cap here is they're all over driven. So basically, if you look, I mean, it's just pulling right through. So that wind's catching it and just lifting this whole entire piece. I mean, none of it's stuck down for probably a good 5 foot. So I mean, this has been happening for a while, because you can see a lot of the rusted nail heads on here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut these 3-tab shingles down so that I actually have some ridge cap that I can use to reinstall back on to this roof for her. So this job ain't gonna take very long, but I've already got some of it started, as you can see, and I've flipped the shingles around so that they're actually facing the less wind dominant area. So these will stay. So that's it, guys. Quick, easy fix. Get this taken care of for the customer. Be in and out of here probably within an hour at the most. It's just a 50 foot worth of ridge cap I'm gonna reinstall here for her, and I'll be out of here and on to the next. So if you guys have any issues or problems, feel free. You can always give me a call at 330-774-9093. I'll be glad to take a look at the situation, see what's going on, and either give you some advice on how to fix it, or if you don't want to do it, let me know and I'll go ahead and get it taken care of here for you. So until next time, you guys have a great day and take care.